Hey everybody, I'm going to be teaching you how to make what we would call an Owie Spray. We're staying compliant here. So what you're going to need, I forgot that I didn't have any extra, need to order some more, but some little, you're going to need a little glass spray bottle. I always want glass for your essential oils because they're so potent. They can kind of eat away at the plastic. We don't want that to be putting that on our skin and stuff like that. So ideally you're using a glass bottle. You can get one a lot smaller than this. And the oils you're going to need are melaleuca, tea tree oil, frankincense, golden oil, and lavender. Okay, all three of these have incredible benefits for our skin. And then you're also going to want some fractionated coconut oil that you can get in your back office from doTERRA. So what you're going to do is you're going to open the bottle. I'm just going to pretend here, okay? And you're going to open up each bottle. So with lavender, it's really soothing to the skin. I've seen people with third-degree burns use lavender, and healing time is cut by about half, at least. Okay, so it just speeds up the body's healing time. So 10 drops of lavender. Something that I like to do when I'm making blends like this, and I'll hold both the edge of the bottle up, if I'm using a spray bottle or a little roller bottle, and then to the edge of the essential oil bottle. So I'm not really touching it, it's just to the side, and that helps me get some stability so I'm not shaking it and spilling it everywhere. So 10 of lavender, and then 10 of melaleuca. It's also an antiseptic, it's antifungal, and it's very powerful for cleansing the skin. So 10 drops of that. Okay, and then frankincense, incredible for your skin. It's anti-aging, anti-inflammatory. 10 drops of that. And then you're going to take your fractionated coconut oil, and these with a smaller bottle, you have to be kind of careful, and I'll just squirt it in there, and you're going to fill it all the way up, okay? And what you'll do then is fill the rest of it up, right, with fractionated coconut oil, and then you'll shake it up, and then you'd spray any abrasion that you have 3 times a day at least, and keep doing that until you see results. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how, if you use this or when you use it, and you could also make this in a roller bottle as well, and you could be rolling it on stuff, but it's nice if it's kind of like icky and you don't want to be touching it a lot to have a spray. All right, see you soon. Bye.